Come on, Bulls, man. Come on. They got it. They got it. You should hold your breath. Hold your breath.
Hold my breath?
Mm-hmm. Okay, release.
I think that worked.
Cool. Get you some water.
Come on, shoot it. Doggone them. I think that worked.
Just breathe in and out.
Look, man. Why don't you try to scare the hiccups out of me? Try to scare me. Cool.
Boogity.
Man, sit down, man.
Oh, you know, here, I'll just tell you a story. Okay? A scary story. Once upon a time, there was this old lady who lived in this house all by herself. Okay? All she had was a little dog. Okay? And from the distance, there was an insane asylum, right? So she went to sleep. The radio said that someone escaped from the insane asylum. So she fell asleep. And when she woke up, her hand was hanging off the side of her bed, and she felt her dog licking her hand. So she started to pet the dog. And then she realized that she was petting someone's head. She looked over, and it was that man from the insane asylum licking her hands. And then on the wall, you saw her dog just hanging from the wall, and it was all bloody. And she looked onto the side of the bed, and there was the man there licking her hand. And she got out of the bed and ran out of the house. She ran through the forest and was running and was being chased. And then she stopped, and she didn't hear the man anymore. And then she went back to the house. And when she got in the house, she heard on the radio that there was no one that escaped from the insane asylum. Yeah. That's what I remember that story. I think you need a doctor.
Oh, man. It didn't work. Man, I'm out of here, man.
Maybe call a doctor.